Alright guys, so on this episode of Sakara Media, we have an SRT4 that we have a build going on. Owner requests to go ahead and have the bay touched up. It needs a little bit of love. So what I'm gonna do today, my job, the goal, is to strip everything down. I'm gonna take the bumper off, headlights, move any of this wiring or take out any of the wiring I can, and then see if I can go ahead and get everything taped off. Before I even paint it, I gotta go ahead and spray it down, make sure it's all degreased, no grease on there, so the tape sticks, and then I'll go ahead and get started on touching it up and bringing it back to life. So we got this one here today. All right, so right now, pretty sure I got all the bolts, all of 2 bolts that it had on it. So that part's done. Probably go ahead and get some, what they look like, 6 millimeters. Get the headlights pulled out. Continue on stripping out the car. All right, so just kind of while I work here, a little rundown on the car. This is a friend of ours that I've known since high school. Got into the neons, and I mean, he's had multiple of them. So he got this one, buying, selling, trading a bunch. Well, this one outright cash, and had it for about, I'd say, he said like 3-4 days, and then the motor blew up. It was like a huge hole in the side of the block, so it's blown up, and he brought it to us to pretty much bring it back to life. Got a couple of little mods that he went and upgraded from the previous motor. We're gonna do a lot of just cleaning up the setup, get it like a nice reliable. He wants about 400 horsepower for it with it, so we're gonna try to help him get there. So basically what we're gonna do is just take care of everything we can. Any kind of things that are loose, anything that needs to be replaced, we'll replace it. Make it just as reliable as you can make a race car. So we'll see what happens. What are those?
These are my chanclas. They're actually yours.
Wow. Wow. Get back to work.
So he took the wiring harness off. Now he's spraying the bay so he can go ahead and pressure wash it.
Yeah, I'm hitting it with some degreaser. So we can break up, obviously, some of the greases on here, grease, oil, anything. We want to get it as clean as possible, so then that way the paint can stick to it. Obviously, you can see that there's some nonsense on it because it's already kind of falling down. So we want all that off of there because, obviously, like I said, the paint's not going to stick. So degrease away, let it sit on there, and once it kind of sits on there and kind of does its thing, I'll go with the pressure washer and hit it again, and probably do that, then do another one, and then another.
Pressure wash the bay, but his OCD is kicking in. He's putting another coat of degreaser on there.
Gotta be right.
Chancla. You're an ass. Spanish shit we don't play. Go on, killed it.
Alright, now I got everything cleaned up. It's dried off. So, the owner of this car wants to just go ahead and rattle can it. So, I'm not against that. So, we're gonna go ahead and just fully send it. I'm about to go ahead and get started on that one. To paint the car, you gotta become one with the car. An LG. Per customer's request, he needs painted with it too, so. Like this. Gotta black it all out, so. We're about to black it all out. So I laid the first coat of paint on there. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry. Can says give it about 15 minutes, so it's out here with the sun. Plus the wind is blowing like crazy. So hopefully that speeds up the process. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and hit it with another layer and just kind of get it to shine a little bit more. Pretty shiny right now. I want to put it on there like pretty thick and so it doesn't like flake off or anything like that, or yeah, but pretty much want to lay it on there and just make sure it doesn't drip. So we don't want that drip here. But yeah, owner wanted the lines actually painted, so that's why it's purposely done that way. It's not I didn't just spray them and not tape them off. I was actually gonna tape them off and he didn't want me to, so yeah, he wants everything blacked out, so I'm gonna continue to hit that up, make sure everything, there's no more silver and it's all black. All right, so see you in a bit. Last coat is done. It's currently drying right now, but I think it came out pretty good. Pretty good. It had a lot of rust on it. So obviously you can't see anymore. It's all covered up. So hopefully the paint helps that out too. But yeah, it looks 50 times better than it did. It's just the little things it's gonna add to it. It's just gonna make everything pop once it's back together, but it looks really good. That's probably gonna be it for this episode. This episode is pretty much just cleaning up the bay, prepping it, getting it ready for the motor to go in. Like I said, this is gonna be one of the projects that we do have on the channel. We're gonna be pretty much going through the whole car and making it right for him. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you back in the next one. Peace.